In this video, I will show you how you can blur the background of an image in PicsArt, and this is actually very simple. The first step is to load in the image into PicsArt, and what we need to do now is we need to duplicate the image first, and to do that we need the layer option, which we don't have right now. So we just go to stickers, add in any sticker we want, it doesn't really matter. Now we can delete it, and now we have this layer option. We click on it, and again, and now we can duplicate our image. Now it needs to be exactly on top. What we need to do now is we select the image. I already have done it. And now we're gonna scroll through free crop, then person in my case, because I have a person here. Now everything that is red will be remaining, and all things that are not red will be gone. Click on the arrow. Now we can see it looks good. And now it is exactly on top. And what you need to do now is we click on this layer option, and the alt photo with the background, we just gonna go to effects right here, and then we go to blur. We click on it, click on blur, select how strong you want it to be. For example, I'm gonna just choose this right here. Let's do 13. Click on apply, and now you can see, because we have cut out the person and put it on top, we now have a blurred background. Now we click on apply, and then we can save the video to our phone gallery. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was useful, please consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.